Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add new pages to Hostinger AI website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. We are now inside Hostinger website builder, and to create new pages, it's simple. Just go to this icon, pages and navigation. Click on it. This new window slides in. Then here, your current pages are listed here. And to add new pages, just click on this add page button. This new window pops up. Here you can add new pages using Hostinger AI website builder. Just click on generate page. Here describe your new page. These are examples of page descriptions that you can learn from. Let's use this page. Create a services page for our community-driven coffee shop. We're more than just a place to grab a cup of coffee. We're a community hub where like-minded individuals gather to connect, collaborate, and savor the finest locally sourced coffee. As you see, this is a great description. After that, click on create page. And this is my new added page built using Hostinger AI website builder. This is the big title, the subtitle, the services. For example, to edit these, for example, elements, just click on it, then select edit image, replace image, and you can either upload your image from your computer by using this upload files button or use free images. Let's see, this is the gallery section. Let's say, and these are the used images. Let's say you want to, for example, add two new images. Just use this section height icon and make it a little bit longer, like that. Then select this element, hit duplicate, and place it here, same thing. Then edit the image as you want. Let's say you want to duplicate a section, select it like that, click on duplicate, and you will see the same section. To delete a section, select it, then hit delete. Welcome to our coffee community. You can change all of this. This is the testimonials section. And this is the contact us section. As you see, Hostinger AI website builder gave us a very good new page result, and this is the footer. Now, after editing your page, don't forget to hit this update website button to publish your newly added page. Now, let's see the other ways that you can use to create or add new pages. Same thing, click on pages and navigation. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Same thing, click on pages and navigation, then add page. Below Hostinger AI website builder, you can even create an empty page and start building it yourself. Close these windows. This empty page comes with your header, this is it, and your footer. And to add space where you can add new elements, just click on add section. Same thing, you can create or you can generate a new section using Hostinger AI website builder. You can create a blank section. You can create a blog, or yes, a blog section where you display your latest blog posts. You can even create a products page or a single product page. You can create main elements, the about element, or for this page, let's start first with the blank section. Click on it, and now you can start adding elements. For example, a big title, then a small title, a small text element. Same thing, just select it and use paragraph here. Now let's add an image like that. Now you can make it bigger from here like that. Then let's make this section a little bit taller, and you can keep adding elements from your newly added page using these drag and drop elements. Now let's see how to create a page. Here you can select, for example, topic pages like an about page, a contacts page, a services page, projects, and even legal pages like privacy policy, refined, or terms and conditions. Let's say we want to create a services page or a projects or a contact page. Select it from here, then select which template you want. I will create this one, and you will see your new added page, and you can edit each element of these pages by simply clicking on it, then click on this edit button. Of course, don't forget to update your website to publish these new added pages. And this is how to add new pages in Hostinger AI website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.